If your reader is interested in facts, these books are for you. We have pocket books, which are just about the size of your hand. They really could fit in your pocket. Every page has information about a different, for example, predator in this book. This is the leopard cat, the African cat, the dragon, the Komodo dragon, the electric eel. It has information such as its habitat, distribution, length, wingspan for a bird or a bug, a lifespan, and then different predators as well. It talks about its diet. So they are really neat. We also have some Young Beginners and Beginners series books that are nonfiction. The Young Beginners are recommended for about ages 3 and up. So they do have nonfiction information. So you find out all about, in this one, baby animals. But there are at least 8 different books. Lion cubs grow up in a group called a pride. So that's the Young Beginners. And then the Beginners are, of course, a little bit more in-depth information. So this one's all about ants. You can see that there's more information on every page, but it's still all nonfiction. It talks about everything that ants do. All right, this is one of our newest releases. It's called Life Size. It's super neat. It goes through different animals on the planet, and for example, it asks you to try on a life-size Toko toucan's beak, hold it up to the side of your nose. How does it look? So then you would become a toucan. So every page has different animals in it that you would do different things in terms of comparing. There's my tiger roar. Comparing it to you. Our big books are awesome for fact lovers. This is the Big Book of Big Trains. Again, there are many different titles in it. They fold out, so you actually get to see gigantic trains. And there is all kinds of information about each of the trains on each of the pages as well. Some of the pages go up and down. Some of the pages go side to side. But again, these are our big books. The one about dinosaurs and the one about animals is also super cool. The Book of Comparisons is another nonfiction. This is much more in-depth than Life Size. It compares things in our world to things like, for example, these are weather wonders on this page. You learn about undersea life, what animals live at different depths in the sea, and what is that compared to? How far down would you be? Extreme journeys, gravity, space racers. So there's nothing but facts in this book. It's really neat. Our Bear Grylls series also has a couple really good fact books. This is the Extreme Planet. So you get to see some of the most extreme stuff on Earth, living in the extremes, extreme fish, fishy business, the Congo. Well, as you can see, these pages are packed with text. So, and it also has information from Bear Grylls, who was a survivalist. So this is another one I would definitely look into for your fact lovers.